In this video, you'll learn how to turn your course content into a short, narrated, on-brand video without leaving the editor. CourseAgent Video takes the content you've already written and generates a fully narrated scene-by-scene video in minutes. No separate video tool, no script to write from scratch, no voiceover to record. Let me show you how it works. On any page, open the Add Sections panel and pick AI Video. The section appears on the page. Click Generate Video and the Creation Wizard opens. Step 1. Where should the content come from? 3 routes: from your course, from wider knowledge, or from your own script. We'll pick from your course. The strongest videos stay anchored to the lesson the learner is already in. Step 2. What's this video for? Page level purposes, introduction, why this matters, key learning points, and summary drop in beside the content on a single page. Course level purposes, course introduction and course summary play once across the whole course and place themselves automatically. We'll go with course summary. It will land as the last section of the final topic, wrapping the whole journey up. Notice the course parameters panel at the bottom. That's the tone, audience, and reading level CourseAgent will honor. Edit those here if you want something different for this video. Step 3. Pick a visual style. This sets your typography and the look of each scene card. Step 4. CourseAgent drafts the script, scene by scene. Read it through, edit any line. You're not locked into anything CourseAgent wrote. Step 5. Choose a voice. Voices are locale aware, so if you translate the course later, you get the matching narrator automatically. Step 6. Render. CourseAgent prepares the audio and generates the visuals for each scene. This takes a few moments. You can close the wizard and the render continues in the background. The video drops in as the final section of the course summary page. Hit play. Notice the captions toggle, the speed control, and the full screen option. This isn't a YouTube embed. It's rendered inside your course shell, using your course's theme as the backdrop. The narration is clean and the on-screen visuals change scene by scene to match what's being said. Now, the video properties panel. The first tab, Scenes, is where most authors spend their time. Each card is one beat of the video. You can edit the narration for that scene, change the on-screen visual, or add more scenes. One important rule: visual edits save instantly. Script changes and pacing changes only take effect when you click Re-render Video. The Appearance tab controls typography, and the scene card look, change the scene transition or the color scheme here. Background is the creative one. Solid colors, themed gradients, or images, with backdrop variants tuned for both light and dark mode. You can also upload your own background image. The Rules tab lets you set a completion threshold, how much of the video a learner needs to watch before the section is marked complete. Useful for course introductions or summaries where you want to ensure the learner actually watches. Close the panel and hit play again. The new palette is live, the audio unchanged. 3 more things worth knowing. First, translation. If you translate the course into another language, the video translates with it. Open the course in the translated version, click the Translate button next to the video in the editor, and CourseAgent regenerates the narration in that language with the matching locale voice automatically. Second, transformation. If you have a dense text section that would work better as a video, you can transform it directly into a CourseAgent video section without going through the full wizard. Third, assessment. You can optionally generate a quiz question from the video content, so what the learner just watched becomes something they're tested on. CourseAgent, guided by instructional design principles with you in control.